Are you still pouring too much oil and wasting calories? Say goodbye to messy bottles and hello to smarter, healthier cooking with the TrendPlain 2-in-1 olive oil sprayer. Looking for the perfect way to control your oil intake while cooking? Meet the TrendPlain olive oil sprayer, a 2-in-1 oil dispenser bottle designed for your kitchen air fryer barbecue and salads. Dual dispensing power spray or pour with precision. Whether you're misting your air fryer or drizzling on a salad, this oil sprayer does it all. Precision spray nozzle, a fine mist or steady stream. Your choice. Perfect for healthier cooking with less mess. Healthier cooking control. Each spray releases just 0.15 g of oil, helping you cut calories, reduce waste, and enjoy guilt-free meals. Safe and durable, made from BPA-Free heat-resistant glass. This olive oil bottle is odorless, non-toxic, and built to last. Lifetime assurance. We stand by our product. If you're not 100% satisfied, we'll take care of it. No questions asked. Perfect for air fryer lovers, salad fans, barbecue masters, and everyday cooking. Upgrade your kitchen with the TrendPlain olive oil sprayer today, because healthy, controlled cooking has never been this easy. Upgrade your kitchen today with the TrendPlain olive oil sprayer. Cook smarter, eat healthier, and enjoy every meal guilt-free. Get yours now and make every spray count.